Turmeric, golden powder in the service of tradition and beauty. It's a well-known fact that turmeric is a healthy plant. It is used as a spice, as a detoxification agent, as a natural coloring agent, in cosmetics, in cooking. But, a special feature of this plant is its use in various traditional customs. Everyday life of the inhabitants of the Far East throughout history was barely imaginable without this plant. In India, it is believed that turmeric has the energy of the Divine Mother Mahalakshmi, and that it protects from evil, brings luck, wealth and success. Many citizens of the southern India still carry around the neck an amulet from dry turmeric root for protection. Turmeric in the service of beauty. But turmeric was not only used in Indian rituals. Long time ago, when they heard of the turmeric's embellishing powers, the Romans demanded it be delivered to Rome. It soon became the most important beauty treatment for the Roman women. Studies showed that turmeric decreases hyperpigmentation and the appearance of unwanted hairs on the body. It also helps prevent the spread of skin infections. It has a powerful anti-inflammatory activity, and it destroys bacteria responsible for the development of acne. It whitens the skin, reduces the scars and spots from pimples and acne, and gives back healthy glow to the skin. Turmeric helps against wrinkles and is suitable for dehydrated and dry skin. It has a beneficial effect on the redness, damage and other symptoms of rosacea. It is known to slow down the aging of the skin. It stimulates the dry skin by enhancing circulation and helps maintain a healthy complexion.